Hi there, guys. I'm a full-time professional forex trader, and I thought I would just share the bits and bobs that I use so that it could possibly help out some of the new guys out there to see how I see the markets, and perhaps that might help you to sort of like fine-tune your way of or maybe just adding another perspective into the way that you guys trade. Now, I primarily trade the foreign exchange markets, but I'm going to start off with a stock that I've traded like almost about 2 months ago. So I'm going to start off with fiat here. Right, so I took the trade, which was, let's have a little look here. So let's have a look at my position history over here. So I took this trade on the 31st of May. So today is the 24th of July 2019. And the reason why I'm showing this to you guys today is because I'm actually planning to close the trade today. Because I think I've made about we're close to about 200% profit, which is about 1,500 quid. So I'm quite happy with that. As you can see, the overnight funding charged by IQ option does tend to be on the pricier side, but I mean, in all fairness, it is competitive, is what I would say. Is IQ option. So anyways, coming back to the trade, I took the trade on the 31st because going by the indicators that I use, I believe that it couldn't fall anymore, and as you can see, well, it did fall a little bit more, but just a little bit, and then it did reverse back to where I wanted. And I mean, let me just show you on the weekly charts here to just give you a better perspective. So here's where I actually came into the trade, where it just ballooned up all the way up to here and then retraced it back. Now, in my experience of trading forex is whenever we see a large pin like that, okay, eventually the price will go up to it, but it will be in smaller blocks. All right, now I can actually wait. This is my take profit, as you can see over here, but I think I've had enough of this trade. I'd rather use this money that I've made and close this trade out. So right now the markets are closed, but they will be open tomorrow morning, and that's when I'm gonna close this trade. Right, on to the next one. Euro USD, the most popular and volatile of all of them. So let's have a little look. What have I done over here? Okay, so this one was a trade that I took more recently. It was just a couple of days ago, actually. Here you go. So you can see, let me again go on the position history. Right, so this is a trade that I took a couple of days ago on the 22nd of July. I took it right here because, as you can see, it was actually a downtrend. Ideally, I should have actually taken the trade here, but I was actually on holidays, because as you can see, as you can have a look at my indicators, the stochastics that I use, it did indicate that it was actually going down. There were quite a lot of pins here forming, which is a great indicator that usually it will be going down. I never take the first retracement. So as you can see, it was an uptrend. I never ever take the first retracement. Okay. When I used to be a newbie, the market used to take me out on the first retracement. I usually trade on the second, or if possible the third one, like this is. Now, had I been in tune with the markets, here's where I would have actually taken the trade, but like I said, I was actually on holiday, so I missed the whole lot. But it doesn't really matter. I've still made a decent profit. For 2 days I've made about 134%, which is pretty good, and I will be closing this trade after the end of this video. just to give you a bit of perspective, here you go. That's how it looks on the weekly charts, on a downtrend, and on the monthly charts. Usually I've got these Bollinger Bands. I've also added some moving averages over here, so my price always bounces back. If you have a little look here, it's always bounced back from the moving averages that I mean, this is the monthly chart, so it comes close to it and then it does retrace more often than not. And we had a green candle here, so I knew that the next one would be a red one, and possibly going down here even further in the months coming by. Now for the third one, which is the USD JPY. Again, a trade that I took just a couple of days ago. The reason why I took this trade is I trade usually the monthlies, okay? So as you can see, you had a large pin formation over here, okay? Now ideally this is a trade that I should have taken a little bit over here where my stop loss was until a couple of days ago. So I believe that the price is actually even going to go up. I'm going to close this trade tomorrow because I do believe that I can actually make about 100% here, easy. So let me show you why. So let me go on the daily ones here. As you can see, the price has been rejected, so it did come down to where I had actually placed the trade here a couple of days ago, and I believe the next one is also going to go up until where I want it to be, which is about the 100% mark, and then I'm going to close it. There's really no secret to where the price is going. You will have to spend quality amount of times looking at the markets, guys. I mean, I wish I could just tell you do what I say and it will work. It really doesn't. You will have to put in the effort, guys, you know. I've spent thousands of hours on the charts looking and trying to understand why price behaves the way it does. I've tried and tested out several indicators. I'm not here to advocate that the indicators that I use, which is Bollinger Bands, moving averages and stochastics, to be the best ones. No, it's just that I relate to them, I understand them, and it works for them. For you it might be something different, each to their own, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna make it a short video here because I've got to actually head out to the pub to have a pint with me mates. But if you like this video and if you'd like a bit more, then do comment and let me know if you've got any specific questions, and I'll attend to. Alright then, guys, that's it for me. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.